Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Joe and I bring you weekly Disney content in the form of park vlogs, meal reviews, and more. As you can probably guess, today's video is an unboxing and it's a really special unboxing. It's my first Loungefly unboxing. I got a few Loungeflies to take to Disney with us next week, so if you keep watching my videos, you'll definitely see these in the next ones that are coming up. So with that being said, before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so that you can be up to date on all the videos that I release, especially next week. All of those videos are going to be really cool in the parks. The first look at no masks at Disney World, it's going to be awesome. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one that I'm going to do is a bag that I actually got from ShopDisney for my boyfriend Nick. It is going to be his park bag at Animal Kingdom. He already opened it so that he could look at it, but let's show you guys. I think this bag is really cool. It's like an inverted messenger bag. So you open up the clips on the front and it opens up. There's a laptop pouch. It's just a solid green liner on the inside. It's really deep and really kind of big. We're definitely going to use this at Animal Kingdom. Oh my gosh, it has a really cute little hidden Mickey detail in the front. How precious. The front is perforated, all little holes, so that you can put pins on the front. It actually goes through. It'll be perfect for pins at Animal Kingdom. I thought it was a definite addition to our Animal Kingdom look that we have. So really cool. I really like this bag a lot. Nick will be using it. I probably won't be, but yeah, really cool. So the next box, I'm gonna do the big box next. This one is from, this is a Boxlunch. They had a recent sale where it was buy two get one free, so I definitely took advantage of that. This is actually my first Loungefly purchase, so I'm starting my collection. I'm really excited about it. Loungefly has always been one of those things that I've looked at and never really gotten into. So the first bag is a Peter Pan bag. Let's take this out of the bag. So this is a rucksack style bag. It's adorable. It has a magnetic closure on the front. Super easy to get in and out of. Really deep bag. The liner is so cute. There's the Lost Boys. Very naturey, very woodsy. Super cute. Peter Pan is on the front. So cute. The little signs say London, Neverland, Skull Rock, and Mermaid Lagoon. That's precious. I love that. Down at the bottom, you have the Lost Boys again on another pouch. You have the Loungefly plaque right there. Let's see if we can get to the pouch. Oh, it's also magnetic. That's perfect. Just a small little pouch, about the size of my hand. Love that. The back has a cute little map on it. This bag is adorable. This bag retails for $69.90. Like I said, this was part of buy two get one free, so I paid full price for two of them and got one of them for free. Awesome bag. I'm going to use this one at the Magic Kingdom. I love it. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one. This one is so cute. So here's the bag. It has Winnie the Pooh and friends on the front. Just adorable. You have Pooh and Tigger and Piglet and Eeyore and I think Rabbit. Roo is at the top. And it says, today is full of possibilities. And it kind of has like a herringbone pattern to it. Really cute. The front is a magnetic opening as well. It has this little foam in it to keep it nice and sturdy. The lining is really cute. I'll show you when we open the top. Put that back in there for now. It has two little side pockets. Can't really fit much in them though, but probably won't want to. There's the plaque. Beautiful blue color. Gorgeous. The back is just blue with polka dots. Blue with polka dots. The zippers are beautiful silver color. They really pack those things full, huh? Now we have the lining. Let me try to show you. There's the lining. Can't really tell. Beautiful lining though. It has Owl and Kanga and Eeyore and Pooh and all the friends with leaves and flowers on the inside. There is a zipper on the inside as well. Maybe to put wallets and things just in case. Extra cards. I think this bag is super cute. This one is for Nick to wear at the Magic Kingdom while I wear the Peter Pan bag. Super cute. Precious. I love it. Alright, and the last bag from Boxlunch. This one is definitely some of our favorite characters from Epcot. And it also corresponds with a ride. What do you think it's gonna be? Ready? Okay. I love this bag. These are definitely some of our favorite characters from Epcot in the Mexican Pavilion. We love the Three Caballeros ride. It's one of those that you always do, in my opinion. We always do this ride no matter what. We're definitely excited to get back on it. We have Donald, who has his own little pouch. Oh my god, the lining is so cute. Let's see if you can see that from here. Wow. That lining is just adorable. It has guitars and maracas and umbrellas and sombreros, and it has the Three Caballeros like name inside. So cute. And then there's a middle pouch. Super cute. It's kind of big. It's really flat though, so you probably can't put too much inside of it. And then it has the main pouch behind at the top. Yeah, super deep. I like that. It has lots of space in there for, like an umbrella because it always rains in Florida. Your sunscreen if you're going in the summer or in the winter. Sometimes you get sunburnt in the winter too. Your phone chargers, all the things can fit in this bag. This is a great bag. It has two side pockets as well. There's the plaque. Gorgeous maroon color. The back is plain. It is pink, which kind of goes with the theming of the bag, but I really like it. Still really like it. This bag was $79.90. I forgot to tell you the Pooh bag was $69.90. So one of either the Peter Pan or the Pooh bag was free because of the buy two get one free, which is a great deal on the Loungefly bags. Normally, like I just said, they're either $79.90 or $69.90. So great deal. These actually came really well packaged. They were stuffed full of tissue paper. This one, let's see if I can find it. This was sitting on top so that he didn't get squished up here, which is really nice. I love that. Great bags. Three Caballeros. This is going to be an Epcot bag for Nick. Winnie the Pooh and Friends. That's going to be Nick's Magic Kingdom bag. And then Peter Pan for my Magic Kingdom bag. Awesome. Alright, moving on to the last bag of the unboxing haul, if you will. This is a Loungefly bag that came out last year around September, October. It's really hard to come by, and a lot of people really wanted this bag. I got lucky enough that Very Neko had a shipment of these come in, and I was able to get one. Super excited about this bag. This is kind of the bag that wanted to make me collect Loungeflies and to have them. So let's get this one unwrapped. I love this bag. What? Oh my goodness. This bag is so cute. So he had tissue paper around him. He comes with the foam around the ears to keep them in place. Look at that. So cute. They're a little pitched forward, but that's okay. There's a front little pocket with a zipper. Little small pocket, probably used for cards and things like that. The face obviously is Mickey's ghost face. It is embroidered in the bag, very nice. The stitching is great. He has such a cute, happy face on. There's your plaque. This one does not have side pockets, but it also has ears, so I can live. The back is black, but little special surprise. Boo! Super cute. That is also embroidered in the bag. We love that. Again, the inside was stuffed with tissue paper to help keep the shape. I'm going to try not to bend it too much. There's the lining. Hope you can see that. Little Mickey ghosts. Just adorable. We love that. Oh my goodness. I love this bag. I love it so much. It is so cute. And the cool thing about this bag is that it glows in the dark. The whole bag, all of the white, glows in the dark. I'm gonna try to definitely insert some video of that so you can see what that looks like at nighttime. Like I said, this was the bag that made me want to get into Loungefly in the first place. And I finally got it. I'm so excited. I believe this bag was $79.90. You can find them on Mercari right now, probably eBay. There'll be a little bit more than that though. They go for pretty high prices on those websites. So, but I definitely think this is one you should add to your collection if you like Loungefly, if you collect them. So we have our Spooky Ghost Mickey. We have our 3 Caballeros. Gorgeous. We have our Winnie the Pooh. We have Peter Pan. Gorgeous little rucksack. And we have the Animal Kingdom messenger bag. Super cute. Thank you all so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. Like I said, you're not going to want to miss anything that we do next week, so go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you collect Loungefly, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your collection, what your favorite Loungefly bag is. I will see you all soon. Peace out.